Hello guys, welcome to another session on TestNG. In this session we will look at the target folder. Target folder won't by default display in our folder structure unless we enable it. Most of us may face this issue. Some of you guys might not face this issue, but if anyone is having this issue, then we will see how to enable target folder and start seeing in our folder structure. Okay, if you haven't looked at the test output folder issue, you can refer the session prior to this one, where we have seen how to enable test output folder. Okay, let's go to IntelliJ. Right, so this is our folder structure, and here we are not seeing the target folder, and that is not displaying even after we select reload from disk multiple times. Right, usually whenever we say reload from disk, it will start appearing here, like if any new folders that get generated or added to the folder or our project folder. Upon refreshing this project in IntelliJ, that particular folder should start appearing here, but in this case target folder isn't appearing. So in such cases, how to enable that and start looking at that? Okay, so in order to enable that target folder, what we will be doing is we will be clicking on this main menu in IntelliJ, and within that we have to go to project structure. So this is the option to select, and within that we should be selecting modules. And in this modules screen, if you look at the folder structure we currently have, we are seeing target folder highlighted in red color. Right, so what does that mean is it is saying excluded directory. As upon mouse hovering, we are seeing the text displaying as excluded directory. Right, so this is the reason this folder is excluded, and for that reason we are not seeing target folder over there. So in order to include it in our folder structure, we have to select that one, and by selecting that we have to click on this option excluded that is appearing over here. And if we select that one, see now that red color highlighter is gone, and now this target folder has been included. Okay, so now let us see by running a test. Now apply OK, and by upon clicking OK, now we have started looking or the target folder started appearing in our folder structure. And this target folder also contains some of the files which we will be using in our reporting section that is coming up next. So in order to move to our reporting, or in order to find any reports that are being generated or created after our test execution completion, then these are the two folders which we need to go and look for the files that are needed, that is for reporting. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.